My name's Michael and I work for Entegra. My role is a design consultant with Entegra. I really love my job. I get to visit property owners, local farmers, and are really looking to move forward and increase their business profitability. And the way I can help them is by helping them design a shed that is going to be very practical and usable on their farms. I'm here at James's farm at Daroona. There was very little here in the way of shed structures. I was able to sit down with James and his farm manager and we designed a shed that would suit his purposes. We have 3 sheds on this property. We have the main machinery shed, we have a fertiliser shed and we have a chemical shed. James is going to be one of the major cotton growers in this region. At the moment they have 20,000 hectares of wheat they're just about to pull off. All of our central Queensland builds are manufactured in our Queensland factory in Gympie, which is ISO 9001 accredited, which means we have a set of systems and procedures which we need to follow to ensure the quality of each Entegra product. As part of the Entegra process, we have site-specific engineering, which is backed up by design processes to ensure that set up so that we can design a shed that is best suited to their purpose. Taper flow system is a patented Entegra design which allows us to run all the water to one side of the shed so you don't have a conglomerate of downpipes all the way along. It's a great design where the volume of water actually increases as the size of the gutter increases as we get to one end. So we can increase the volume, takes the water off the roof a lot faster and gets the precious water into tanks where it needs to be. It's a vital commodity out here. When you're spraying, you don't need to add other additives to the water when they use rainwater for spraying. So spraying is quite a vital commodity in these areas. I've been servicing this area for 17-18 years with blueprint sheds. We now have become Entegra sheds and continue to service this area. We now have more patented products than what we ever had before, more design capabilities, and we're just going from strength to strength to try and service this area. Everyone has been very appreciative of the design, the shed and the whole process of an Entegra build.